KK Slider, hit him with the heat. Twin Glock, bitch, you ain't a bug, you ain't in gym pop. Red dot, I'ma keep on stomping till his neck pop. Feds watch, I can't be caught slipping, so the feds hop. Red drop, I quit popping sticks and sipping red drop. AR pistol, I love how it holds Glock clips. Ass shot, let Jimmy's bomb twerk, bitch, we can't lock lips. First thing first, I'm a trapper, rapping comes second. Bitch, you better go and get yours first, I'm busting any second. Leg lock, I'ma throw the shorty in a leg lock. Headshot, we got cash on deck, I'm throwing headshots. Red rock, millies in the dirt, I think I'm El Chapo. Keep a Glock full, oh, 10 milli big hole. Free my Uncle Cardo, gave him 6 in Mexico. He can't keep his chin up, God be watching on his soul. Mason out in Texas, doing 5 for trapping bows. I'm still by my paper, who got work for the low? Got more perks than a store, got more drink than a dot. You still sipping cut, I'm mixing tech with the wok. You claiming you gang, but why you acting like a cop? If I see the paper working, I'm gonna put 2 in your nog. Twin Glock, bitch, you ain't a bug, you ain't in gym pop. Red dot, I'ma keep on stomping till his neck pop.